Hey guys, I ordered this on Monday. Today is Wednesday and it just got delivered. So from Marshall's Industrial. It's a Rostec VCDS HEX2. Got a nice user manual. Comes with the HEX2 adapter. It's got a USB stick from Marshall's Industrial, a cable which has a USB side on both, and what you do is attach it to the bottom here. Let me get a pair of scissors, and so you do cut this open, and here we go. Rostec VCDS Dual K plus CAN USB interface for VCDS, assembled by Rostec. So you attach this. This is a bit different to normal cables. Attach this, then screw this in. Okay, might need a screwdriver for that. Just gonna attach this, screw it in. Just make sure it's tight. So you plug this into the car's OBD port. Plug this into your laptop and install the software from this, or you can download the latest model from Rostec's website and scan your car. I currently got a ABS issue. I'm not sure what the actual issue is, so hoping this will tell me what the problem is or where the problem is. So this is my HEX V2. Yeah, I mean, it comes in a nice plastic case. There you go. There's no label on it. I might just print a 3D label on there, and yeah. Thanks for watching, and if you like this and want to see more and follow my ABS troubleshooting issue, subscribe and like the video. I did a full auto scan of the car. VIN is hidden, so as a number plate. So I got a fault in the engine, a fault in the ABS, fault in central electronics, fault in the CAN gateway, fault in the door electric driver status, fault in central convenience. Everything else looks fine. So engine, I've got the 001089 EVAP emission control system. No error in the automatic transmission. ABS brakes is 16352 control module electrical error. I've actually reset this and it hasn't come back straight away. It might come back once I start driving it. Auto HVAC, no error. Central electronics, lamp for brake light, front, yeah, I changed the bulb, couldn't fit it properly, so that needs to be reset. Right tail light, bulb was changed, so that needs to be reset. Airbags, no errors. Steering wheel, no errors. Instruments, no errors. CAN gateway. Company comfort data bus in single wire mode. I don't know what that is. Reset it anyway. What else? Window regulator switch, front left and front right. I know I've been having issues with the window switches there. I might need to replace those. One fault found in central convenience, luggage compartment light W3 short to ground. Bulb's probably gone there. That's it. And now to reset everything and see if they come back. Thanks for watching.